Hi, welcome to my aluminum cargo trailer barn door hinge replacement video. I bought this trailer a few years ago during the height of COVID. I overpaid for it. It had decking problems in the trailer that I replaced with marine plywood. But the biggest issue was these strap hinges for the barn doors. They failed on a couple of my strap hinges failed. This is the typical failure I saw. One of the rivets broke or disappeared or got loose. The whole doors were sagging. There was a lot of wear in the actual strap hinges. And so this is what I came up with to replace it. And I thought I would share how I did it and what the considerations were. I was going to through bolt like just a new strap hinge, and here you can see that you can't access behind here. The plywood is the 1-inch square tubing, and you just can't through bolt through the existing strap hinge mounts, the rivets. So I ended up deciding, I'm going to get some guy to weld a plate where the strap hinges were. This is 3/8 plate, if I remember right, and they welded it clear round right over. And then onto that, I made this metal plate, which I welded this bullet hinge to. And these two bolts here are drilled and tapped, and these two bolts are through bolted through the frame. So I figured that was a pretty strong attachment point for the doors. And when I aligned it all up, I used a level to ensure everything was perfectly in alignment between the top and the bottom. I cut these strap hinges off so that I'd be able to weld it to the bullet hinge, and that worked really good. And I just cleaned them up and refinished them to save a little bit of money. There's nothing wrong with the steel of the hinge. So yeah, that worked out really well.